like the rivers that carve through the stone. She carries the strength of a queen on her throne. The velvet of highlands, the silk of the coast. She is the beauty the mountains love most. Heirs of the sun, where the gold domes shine. Two hearts intertwined, where grandeur shine. Through the fire and the dust, through the long, lonely night, they walk toward the dawn, they reach for the light. With dignity woven in every gold thread, by the love that they live and the words that they say. He splashes through water on a stallion of snow, where the emerald fields and the ancient trees grow. With a brow bound in white and a cape stained in red, he remembers the path where the brave used to tread. He looks to the outcrop, he looks to her eyes, under the heart that is floating in skies. Not just a soldier and more than a king, he is the promise that the morning will bring. Green for the land that is fertile and free, blue for the depths of the wide rolling sea, red for the pulse and the price of the past. A dignity found that is destined to last. The Eritrea etched in the cliff and the bone. A love for a person, a love for a home. Oh, heirs of the sun, where the gold domes shine. Two hearts intertwined by a grand design. Through the fire and the dust, through the long, lonely night, they walk toward the dawn, they reach for the light. With dignity woven in every gold thread, by the love that they live and the words that they say. The sun sinks low on the tired height. The gold and the amber dissolve into light. The woman, the man, and the flag in the wind. The song of the heroes is about to begin.